Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating world of mobile phone holders and how they have evolved from simple accessories to essential elements of home decor and business environments. If you enjoy what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more amazing content. Stick around until the end for some special insights and a surprise announcement that you'll definitely want to hear. Let's get started. Mobile phone holders. Mobile phone holders have transformed from simple utility tools to essential accessories that blend functionality with style. As smartphones become integral to daily life, the demand for holders that not only support these devices but also enhance the aesthetic of personal and professional spaces has surged. This evolution reflects broader trends in consumer behavior, where practicality is often coupled with a desire for stylish home and office environments. Home decor integration. In the realm of home decor, mobile phone holders are increasingly recognized as decorative elements. Designers are creating holders that harmonize with various interior styles, from rustic to modern minimalist. For example, wooden holders can complement a cozy, natural aesthetic, while sleek metal designs might suit a contemporary space. The ability to integrate these holders into existing decor allows individuals to express their personal style while enjoying the convenience of having their devices readily accessible. Aesthetic appeal. The aesthetic appeal of mobile phone holders cannot be overstated. Brands are now offering a myriad of choices that cater to different tastes, including vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and unique shapes. This variety enables consumers to select holders that resonate with their personal aesthetic or home environment. A well-chosen mobile phone holder can act as a conversation piece, showcasing the owner's taste and attention to detail. Practicality meets design. While aesthetics are important, the practicality of mobile phone holders remains paramount. These accessories help keep devices organized and within reach, preventing clutter on desks and tables. Many designs allow for adjustable angles, making it easier to use phones for video calls, streaming, or following recipes. This blend of practicality and design enhances the overall user experience, positioning mobile phone holders as essential tools in both home and office settings. Business use in offices. In professional environments, mobile phone holders contribute significantly to organizational efficiency. They facilitate easy access to devices, allowing employees to stay connected without disrupting the flow of work. By keeping phones upright and visible, these holders minimize the risk of misplacing devices. Furthermore, they help maintain a tidy workspace, which can enhance productivity and create a more professional atmosphere. Branding opportunities. For businesses, mobile phone holders offer a unique branding opportunity. Customizable options allow companies to print logos or incorporate brand colors, which can turn these functional items into promotional tools. When employees or clients use branded holders, they effectively become walking advertisements, promoting the brand in everyday settings. This strategic use of mobile phone holders can enhance brand recognition and loyalty. Marketing strategies. Incorporating mobile phone holders into marketing strategies can yield positive results. They can be used as promotional giveaways at events, trade shows, or as gifts for loyal customers. Such items not only provide practical benefits but also serve as reminders of the brand long after the initial interaction. Effective marketing campaigns that leverage mobile phone holders can help businesses engage with their audience while providing value. Social media influence. The influence of social media on consumer behavior has also affected the popularity of mobile phone holders. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok showcase aesthetically pleasing and innovative designs, inspiring users to purchase trendy holders that match their personal style. Influencers often highlight these products, leading to increased visibility and desirability. This trend emphasizes the importance of visual appeal in the marketing of mobile phone accessories. Eco-friendly options. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the demand for eco-friendly mobile phone holders is rising. Brands are responding by offering holders made from sustainable materials, such as bamboo, recycled plastic, or biodegradable options. This shift not only appeals to eco-conscious consumers but also reflects a broader commitment to sustainability within the industry. Brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Functionality and design. Modern mobile phone holders are increasingly designed with functionality in mind. Many now include features such as wireless charging capabilities, built-in storage for accessories, or multi-device compatibility. This trend towards multifunctionality caters to the diverse needs of users who seek convenience in their everyday lives. As technology continues to advance, holders that incorporate smart features may become standard, further enhancing their utility. Gift potential. Mobile phone holders are emerging as popular gift options due to their blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal. They are suitable for a wide range of occasions, from birthdays to corporate events. Givers can select holders that reflect the recipient's personality, making the gift feel personalized and thoughtful. This versatility enhances their marketability as desirable gifts in various contexts. Trends in mobile phone holders. Current trends in mobile phone holders include a focus on minimalism and multifunctionality. As consumers gravitate towards clean and simple designs, holders that offer additional features without compromising on style are gaining traction. Innovations such as adjustable stands and holders that double as wallets or organizers are becoming increasingly popular, catering to the need for convenience in a fast-paced world. Cultural considerations. Cultural influences play a significant role in the design and adoption of mobile phone holders. Different regions may have unique preferences regarding materials, colors, and functionalities. For example, in some cultures, elaborate designs may be favored, while in others, minimalism is preferred. Brands that understand and cater to these cultural nuances can tap into diverse markets, enhancing their global appeal. Personalization and customization. The trend of personalization extends to mobile phone holders, with consumers seeking options that reflect their individuality. Customization features, such as engraving, color selection, and the ability to add personal images, allow users to create unique holders that resonate with their personal identity. This demand for personalized products enhances customer satisfaction and fosters brand loyalty. The future of mobile phone holders. The future of mobile phone holders is likely to be shaped by technological advancements. As smart home devices become more prevalent, holders that integrate seamlessly with other technology may become the norm. Features such as voice activation, app connectivity, and enhanced charging capabilities are anticipated to become standard, making mobile phone holders even more indispensable in daily life. In summary, mobile phone holders are no longer just functional accessories. They have become integral to home decor, business operations, and marketing strategies. Their evolution reflects changing consumer preferences, driven by a desire for practicality, style, and personalization. As the market continues to evolve, mobile phone holders will likely play an increasingly important role in shaping both personal and professional environments. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.